got a baby, a naked baby that was crawling with a little curlicue coming out of its head. Oh yeah, that was the weirdest one. That was the weirdest one. It's like this little crawling baby.
Do you think he totally did not pick that
drunk.
one?
He was drunk.
And the guy was like, I'll do your mom. Like, he probably picked mom and the Nick one, and then the guy was like, yeah, I'll just throw this one in your face, dude.
Who knows? But you figure...
Hey, Travels and Tales viewers. If you have not watched our previous video titled Homebrewing Edition, go check that out before watching this. This is the after party when we kept the cameras rolling and finished off our beers.
Pretend like no one's videoing you.
All you gotta do is act naturally. Chips and cheese, crackers and cheese. One of the best things on the
Pretend like
planet.
the camera's not.
Beer, crackers, and cheese. If you don't love it, you're not
You
American.
never answer me. What's your favorite?
You are not an American. If you do not
I
love
think
crackers, cheese, and beer, you are not
we
American.
have too much beer here.
Cheers.
You never answered me. What is your favorite type of dog when you just look at it, like aesthetic wise?
I like Bethany's dog, Milo.
So you're
Is it like
talking
a
like
golden
which
doodle?
dog actually are you attracted to?
Aesthetically.
Oh, no.
It was like a dog beauty contest.
Okay, like which dog you think is nice looking? Like,
Yeah.
not attracted to is a bad word.
Oh no. Is this Beauty and the Beast?
That was one good looking dog. That is a hot dog.
I'm trying to drink my water.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Me too.
Alright. New topic.
I mean,
My favorite dogs are German Shepherd, Samoyed, and Shiba Inu.
I like
oh,
those.
yeah, that's true. A German Shepherd is a tough looking dog.
I
German
like
Shepherd
the
is like a
Australian
dog
Shepherds. I think
that-
those are
Those
cool.
are pretty too.
I think those are cool.
Yeah, Germans and Australian
No one's
Shepherd
talking
is
about
like,
Samoyeds. Like, come on, they're
Samoyeds
so pretty.
they're so pretty they don't even look real.
I know.
They're like just like a white husky.
Fluff.
It's like a white husky, like.
It's just like big fluffy
like-
dog. It looks like a
it's not
Norwegian
even-
forest
yeah,
cat
not
dog.
even allowed. It's like a statue of a husky. It came to life. It was like,
Statue.
it was,
Oh no. Oh
I
goodness.
don't know. I think a Chow Chow. We had a Chow, Casey, Kashang Nichols. She was a beautiful dog. She was black. And
That's
Chow
such
Chows
a
have
weird
black
name.
tongues too.
Yeah, I know
Well,
that.
your sisters, when you
She's
were
used
little, they thought every dog was supposed to be named Casey.
Are
So
you
when we
okay?
got this Chow Chow, we had to figure out a name, and it was the first. She actually had papers, so you had to give her like names that were going to appear on the papers. And her parents were Prince and Princess Ling, so it had to be a Chinese type name
Oh,
too.
okay.
So
No.
it was like Casey. So she was Kashang Nichols. Kashang.
That's interesting.
It was interesting, but she became Casey. That was her, she was Casey.
Huh.
Because your sisters thought every dog was supposed to be, when they were little, when they were like 2, they thought every dog was Casey. Every time they'd see a dog, they'd be like, Casey.
Wow.
Like,
Huh.
they do
rude.
know now, because they
Cheers.
both have dogs.
Is it still
They both
recording?
own dogs now that are not named Casey.
Oh, good
So
for them.
they did learn
I'm surprised
along
they
the
didn't.
way.
Yeah,
It's still
I'm surprised they don't name one of
You
their
can only
dogs
see
Casey.
your head.
So,
Why do you like
I don't know.
this?
I do love a husky. I think a husky is just a cool
Whoa.
Oh,
dog.
that worked.
Garbage.
And then old Chemo
Garbage.
boy, our boy Chemo was in a husky Akita, so he was
Why?
like the best of both worlds. He
He's
had
the
that
best.
Akita coloring, and then the husky
Like
shape.
garbage.
And then we got the mess
Kiwi.
under the table.
Plus Chemo Sabi.
Maggie.
Oh.
You're a hot mess.
She was like, oh my god, what was that?
She moved the camera.
Maggie,
Maggie
go
is a
the camera.
combination of what? Rottweiler, Black Lab, Miniature Bull Terrier, and
Corgi.
Corgi. So she got a little bit of everything in her.
Yeah.
She's a good girl now.
Yeah, she's great.
This is interesting.
Ugh.
Roll it up.
A little saltine in my throat.
She's down.
All right, maple beer been going down.
Yo.
That is.
Green light going down.
Water. Water going down.
Cheers. What is it? Clink it, and sink it.
Dink
Oh
it.
no, that's probably. Oh, clink it. Okay, all right.
I made it my own.
That's all right.
Clink it, and
Clink
sink
it
it.
and sink it.
Clink it.
I didn't drink the whole thing. Was I supposed to do it as a shot?
Oh god.
Lightweight.
I can't.
Sexy ass.
I can never do shots. Ask any of my friends. I can never do
I
shots.
can't do a shot of this.
I can't do shots. I was a
Wait, let's
horrible
see.
shot taker. I'd be like,
Whenever anybody wants to clink with you, that means
oh, you have to do
down it.
You have to do the shot.
that
Okay.
means down it. It's not like
I didn't know
oh, let's tap our glasses and take a sip.
Oh!
Let's tap our glasses and take a sip.
Blur it.
You tap the damn glasses, it's going down.
Going.
Okay.
That is like
I
saying
feel like that's not.
you and I
that's
are
not
bonding
enjoying-
over
that's not
that we
enjoying the
are
beer, though.
finishing this beer completely. You know, Brian,
Finished.
BB, and I know this. We
Yeah.
do. How many beers do we finish up when we do ours? We're like,
True.
clink it, sink it, clink it, sink it. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
I'm telling you,
I'm taking that.
TikTok.
Oh, yeah.
It needs to be a TikTok.
Look at
Ask me a
that.
question.
The Beebs and the Beebs and the Nick. All right.
New.
Shelby, how are you enjoying your Nintendo Switch?
Oh yeah.
Woo! Love
Well.
it.
Yeah. What do you love about it?
I only have one game, so Animal Crossing.
Uh-huh. Well, you do have an Animal Crossing
And a-
edition Switch.
Oh,
so-
and I really like all the like the little sounds it makes, like that. And
Yeah, those are cool.
Huh?
Maggie.
So what other games are you looking for the Switch?
Yeah.
I have a list. Let me go
do they
get
have,
it.
like, do they have any games that I would like to play?
She's left.
Mario Party. You probably like that.
Mario Party.
They have Super Mario Party.
Do they have Joust?
No.
I've got like
Joust.
Joust. I've got like, you know.
We just need to go back to Right Brain. Maybe we
Right
need
Brain
to move
Brewery.
to Traverse City.
We played Joust once.
What
and
kind of
we're
job
not
could I do in Traverse City, Michigan?
You could work
Beer.
for Right Brain. Maybe they need people to work there.
I don't know that I would be. Well, I would probably be happy as a beer pourer. Yes, I can.
Pourer?
actually pour.
Pourer.
Yeah, I can do that.
Pourer.
I can
What's
do
your
that.
title? Beer pourer.
I'm a beer pourer.
Horror.
I could be the left to
Got my
his
list
right
up.
brain, I guess. I could try to be the left side to his right brain.
Uh-huh.
You're very left brain.
I actually feel like that. I
He
think
thinks he's- he
my
thinks
brain
he's
is
right
somewhat.
brain.
I think my brain is somewhat in the middle.
What
I think
is
my
the
brain is
difference
somewhat
between?
in
What's
the
the
middle.
difference between?
Right
the
brain
two?
is the creative side. that
Oh.
You don't, and then the left brain is the like more analytical side. So I feel like I feel like I have a little bit. I have a foot in each world.
Oh,
If we're
okay.
thinking about the Bo Burnham song, then
Mm.
yeah, left brain.
I think
analytical.
I think I'm
'Cause you remember
definitely
my
more
Latin
creative,
teacher,
but I don't
Mr.
know.
Domini, my Latin teacher, used to say, "Keith, you go about things the wrong way."
He would
Like that.
scratch
He
his
would
ear like
scratch
that.
his ear over his head like that. Like instead of just scratching your ear this way, he's like, "Keith, you go about things the wrong way." So that was kind of like showing that I had some right-brainedness to me.
There's 3 different things there.
Holy
Uncle
macaroni!
Laszlo.
Would
Yes.
you like to split this with me, sir?
My ear hurts.
Sure. I got a little bit of Schmittenwerks left.
Wow.
Schmittenwerks.
Oh, you need a mess.
You messed up the whole Schmittenwerks. You ruined the whole Schmittenwerks. Bunk.
I don't think I've ever heard him. I didn't never heard him say that.
No.
I don't remember that
I mean,
much
I
about
knew-
him.
I'm trying to think, like, how long. I only knew your dad like 5 years.
Mm.
So,
He ended up becoming, after I had the twins full time, he ended up really being a big help to me during
yeah,
that.
for sure.
Yeah, which was
Is it still going?
because he was able, he was retired,
Mm-hmm.
so he would come every morning and take the twins to school. He would pick them up, bring them home.
Nice.
Friday mornings he'd bring us donuts.
Wow.
So,
I'll be expecting my donuts.
So
on
that's-
Friday.
yeah.
You hear what
Papa
Shelby
Nicky,
said?
Papa Nicky room. So, and I got the Nick there. So Nick had the same exact tattoo.
Wow. Was that his face? It was hilarious.
Fairly, yeah, pretty close. I mean, he got his. You figure he got his in 1958 when he got out
Remember
of the
Dad?
Navy.
He got that, and then I didn't notice. He's walking around all shirtless and stuff, and he's like, "I've been walking around here shirtless for 3 days. You didn't even notice this tattoo." I was like,
But
"Sorry."
he got that. I think Dad got 4 tattoos. He had $25 to
What did it
spend
feel like?
in 1958.
What did it
like
feel
little pins poking holes in your
Did it
skin.
like hurt?
It hurts a little bit, but it's not like
Why are you thinking of
super
getting a
painful.
tattoo, weirdo?
Just wondering.
But
Well, you can't get one until you're older anyway.
so Dad had one. He had a rose that said "Mom" on this forearm. He had the
Are these
Nick.
the ones you got all in one?
He got them all at one time. It was right before they were done with the Navy. He was getting out of the Navy. He and his buddies they had bought like 56 Chevrolet. They were gonna drive it back across the United States from Seattle, Washington. And he had $25 and he was like, he wanted to get tattoos. So they were the cheapest ones that he could get. So he got the rose that said "Mom." He got he figured he was like 19 years old, 20 years old. He got a baby, a naked baby that was crawling with a little curlicue coming out of his head. Oh yeah, that was the weirdest one. That was the weirdest one. It's like this little crawling
Do you
baby.
think he totally did not pick
he was
that
drunk.
one?
He was drunk.
And the guy was like, I'll do your mom. Like, he probably picked Mom and the Nick one, and then the guy was like, yeah, I'll just throw this one
I don't
in
know,
your face,
man.
dude.
Who knows? But you figure it was funny knowing him when I knew him because he's 25 years older than I am. So he was always an adult when I knew him. But imagine a 20-year-old kid getting that as a kid.
20-year-old
Having
kid.
that on his arm. So a little baby crawling with a curlicue on his head, which was crazy. And then he had the scroll with the Nick.
Right.
So that was, and then he would always say,
Was it that far up?
yeah, it was like right on his shoulder.
Oh, okay.
That's
Like right
not on your
on.
shoulder. That's on your upper.
No, it is on his shoulder. It's like on his.
So, like, right
yeah,
there.
I mean,
That's
you can't have
so-
it on
His
your
might have been,
shoulder.
his might have been lower. I don't know.
I've
but
never
I got
realized
I feel
how
like
long
it was
forearms.
a
Well,
little
the
bit.
guy that put this one on me was training to be a tattoo artist. So
I would have asked for
I
someone
mean, it's
else.
readable. You can read it. It says Nick.
Yeah, yeah, that's cool.
It says Nick.
The one on
It's
your
a-
back, you can't see it.
Yeah, and that's
It's
but
gone.
that's-
What? The one on his back? No, it isn't.
It's
The one that has, I know.
It has E and M on it.
Yeah.
E and L
the
on either side, but it was the
dolphin.
Dolphins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He doesn't have one for you.
I'll have to get another one. I think I'm gonna.
Maybe it will be that thing where you guys get the tattoo together.
No, you want to go when you turn 18? We'll go and get a tattoo.
I would cry my eyes out.
I don't think Shelby could handle that. Do you remember when she
I'd have to get like put
got
out
that
there.
shot? Oh my god.
I was
The
screaming.
whole waiting room came out and looked at us like, your child is a menace to society.
Last Monday, I got a shot in each arm, and the poor girl who knew how to, did not even know how to give a shot. She was like, she had both hands like a little mouse eating cheese, is what I thought of it. She was like,
No.
Me.
me.
I would have been like, excuse me, I would like someone else.
That's how she gave the shots. Ew, both hands together. Air.
Oh.
Let me do it on the other side.
No.
When I got those 3
No.
shots, like
I would have been like, next, someone else.
was
is
it
giving me
was
the
it
shot.
last year that I got those 3 shots? One on this arm, 2 on this arm. I didn't even cry. I was just like dying inside. I was like,
You
So-
cried when you got in the car.
yeah,
That's what she told
Don't
me.
It
lie.
hurt.
That's what she told me. She was like, you didn't flinch at all when I gave you the shots. I was like, I have a pretty high threshold for pain.
Good for you.
I've been hurt a lot.
When I stub my toe, I cry.
I've been hurt a lot.
So
Green Lake
interesting.
2020. Schmidt and Verks. Nick Nichols.
So we decided
Maple
that
Bourbon Stout.
if you drink Mellow Brew with a Dove chocolate in your mouth, it's much better.
Mm.
So that's the trick.
That's the trick.
Mom, you haven't even noticed that.
Mm.
Shelby put her mask back on.
Because
Wear
I
masks.
created all these, I love them all equally, just as I do my children.
Wow, thanks.
Wow. What about your wife?
Nah. He likes. Do you like me better?
That's way too long. That's way too goddamn long.
Do you like me
hell?
better
Oh, then
Mm.
what?
than her?
You're a little frightening right now. I can't even see your eyes. Oh, let's call it an end. I have to work tomorrow.
Dude, it's only like
Sucks.
I have school
So
tomorrow.
people-
It's only 8 p.m.
Prescribe to our videos. Subscribe to our videos and crap, so I don't have to go to work anymore.
Yeah, exactly. This poor man wants to retire, so please subscribe.
Travel. I want to travel and drink beer.
We want to travel and tell tales. So
And drink
please
beer.
subscribe to our
And
videos.
make beer.
So we can...
And make beer that I drink. And drink beer that I make.
Ooh, shot! Yeah! Woo!
I don't have any.
Good job, baby.
I don't post on social media.
All gone, look. All gone.
Oh, let me finish mine.
Whoa, Shelly's finishing her water.
3 delicious beers crafted by Keith Nichols of
3?
Mixed Brewing. 4. You can't buy them in a store.
Yeah. You have to become friends with
So
us.
you gotta be friends with us if you want to try my beers, yeah.
So like and
us-
subscribe.
Like and subscribe if you want to try some Nick's Brewing beers.
Yeah.
We will have parties for our closest friends.
Yeah, exactly. Especially when we become rich and famous, we'll invite you all over
So-
to our mansion.
Ooh, mansion.
Don't wait too long for that, people.
Please.
Exactly. Exactly, because you want to see more of this excitement,
Mhm.
right, baby?
And
Yep.
me.
Yeah.
I do like to give my beer away to free. Give my beer away free to friends.
Yeah. You do.
Mhm.
You're very sweet.
It is my expression of love to you.
What a sweet boy. See? Who could have loved this place? Who could have loved it?
We hope you enjoyed this special episode of TNT. As you could probably tell, we have a lot of laughs at our house. See you next week.